let's sublimate a matching 20-ounce and Libbey glass set. They both turned out great, and here's what I did. So to start off, the 16-ounce Libbey glass image was saved and downloaded at 9.8 by 4.5. The 20-ounce skinny tumbler was saved and downloaded at 9.3 by 8.1. And with vibrant colors like this, I went ahead and double printed both images for another layer of ink to make the colors pop even more. And then we trimmed the images, and then we grabbed our adjustable pinch perfect to help wrap both of these tumblers. And while I tape these tumblers up, if you haven't seen yet, we have a website giveaway going on now. We're giving away 2 cases, 25 each, of 20-ounce skinny tumblers and more, so go check out the link in the bio after watching this video for more information. And then we headed over to the heat press and started with the Libbey glass tumbler, which was set at 385 for 200 seconds. As always, 180 flip for another 200 seconds, and then 365 for 70 seconds for the 20-ounce skinny tumbler. And here's how they turned out. Both of them look great, super vibrant, and the seam lines are perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to go check out our giveaway that will be live until April 9th next month.